Microsoft Virtual Training Days will be going to start tomorrow, and this program will go for a month, and you can participate in multiple events and can get EZ900 free certification vouchers. Firstly, I am just going to show you why EZ900 certification voucher is very important and why you need to participate in this program, because if you participate in this program, only you need to attend the session of virtual training days, and after completing you got a certification voucher which will cost rupees 3696 in Indian currency, which you can see here. And if you convert it into dollar, then this may cost you total $55 to $60. So that much of an amount you are going to save by just saving, just going and watching this Microsoft virtual training days. There is nothing to do. And before starting this video, I'm just recommending you to subscribe my channel Career Edge, which you can see on the screen. And please doesn't forget to like this video, as well as please share this video, because is a 900 certification voucher are very auspicious for all of them, and this is a beginner level cloud certification in the field of Microsoft Azure. So if anyone wants to get it, and if anyone interested in the clouds, then please recommend them this video. Also, there are lots of videos already on the channel, and you can watch that and take a benefit, just like AWS community days will be going to start, and this is from 22 to 23rd October, and you can get multiple swags there. Also, there is a quizzing challenge Microsoft already started, and you can participate in that, and you can get micro different type of swags from Microsoft as well. Codeshare free t-shirts also there. The registration date last is 19th of October, and you can register for that also. So these are the things which are already open for you, and you can participate in this type of event and get multiple swags as well as different type of other things. So I'm just going to show you how Microsoft virtual training days is very important for you. So there are total five type of this total five type of events are there. First is Microsoft virtual training days, second is Microsoft 365 training days, Microsoft Security Virtual Training Days, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Virtual Training Days, as well as Microsoft Platform Virtual Training Days. So this five type of virtual training days are there, and all are going to start from 18th of October, and this will be going to held total in 1 month. There are multiple events, and you can participate in any events. But if you want is a 900 certification, then you need to choose the event of Microsoft Azure virtual training days, event with purpose. So this is the event where you are going to get free Microsoft vouchers. So I am just going to show you how you can get it and what are you need to do for getting the free certification voucher. So here you can see, firstly they have given about some introduction about this webinar. So yeah, as you all know, Microsoft Azure is the second most popular in the field of cloud after AWS. And here you can see, if you are looking real world strategies, customize your journey, your expert webinar is there, and you can participate because the webinar will be going online, and as well as this will be conducted by Microsoft employees from America, means USA, California. And you are going to do they are live on 18th to on this dates which you can see here. First date is 19th and 20th October. There are two dates, and you need to go through. Firstly, you need to register for any type of date, but when I am shooting this, 19th and 20 October date is already full. 8 and 28 29 October date is already full. So you got the chance to attend this virtual training days on 2 to 3 November, 9 to 10th November, 16 to 17th November, and 25 to 26th November. So if you do late some more time, then maybe you doesn't get a chance to attend these events. As well as you can see here, after training you will receive a free voucher to take easy 900. So there is a voucher you will get after attending this, and there is an exam of Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification exam as I showed here. So here you can see, if you are going to purchase about this is the official website of Microsoft, and there are lots of certification there. And if you are going to purchase this certification voucher to go and do the examination of ISN 900, then it will cost more than 3690. And you can see here there is also a different type of things, as well as if you want the materials to practice for this exam, then there is already available on the website. You can see here how two ways to prepare. First is online free, that is you can see. And if you want an instructor to participate to prepare for this exam, then there is an instructor led training as well, but that is paid. So here you can see all about this. So next thing is I am just going to show you different type of events which are going to happen. Firstly, I insist you to go and register for this two third and other events. I am just going to show you one of the date, just 28 and 29, that it is full, and you doesn't get here the registration. It is shown the registration for this virtual training days is full. So that's the thing. And if you change the date, maybe you got a registration this, no, you need to attend this event both the days on 19 means the dates which is given here. Also you got an email about all the things which will be going to happen. Next things, different type of other virtual training days program as well, Microsoft 365 virtual training days, just like you can see here. But here when you attend this, you got knowledge, you got different type of ideas, as well as much more about Windows 360, Microsoft 365. But there is no certification vouchers and different type of other benefits which you got for that event of Azure. So that's why I am just showing you this type of event. All the dates are no, available for you. You can go and register for any type of event. Microsoft 360, Microsoft 6 security virtual training days also there, and all the dates are available and you can register for any date. But what is the most important thing is the first one, that is Azure. Here you can see Power Platform virtual training days. So here you did never get any type of certification vouchers, you just got a preparation materials and other type of things. There are two part of training will jump start your preparation for the Microsoft Power Platform fundamental certification now, and teach you how to creative, innovative and solution. But they doesn't give you any type of certification voucher. That's why I'm not recommending you to join this events. Maybe if you are interested, then you can join. But this is the most important, that is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals virtual training days, and you can join this and got Azure 900 certification voucher. So that's much in this video, friends. I hope you like this, and if you like it, please doesn't forget to subscribe our channel, as well as please like this video as well as share with your friends. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.